Welcome to Tamara's Lunchbox, Tuesday edition. I'm a little later than usual, so it's already halfway done, and we only have 3 days left, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we're back at the weekend. All right, let's see what we got. I am starving now, y'all. Okay. There's my salad bowl, some dressing, and of course some Mountain Dew, which I need a cup. All right, so what I did was I got one of those salad kits, and there's my Andy's mints. So I got a salad kit, chicken Caesar salad. Well, I added some of my rotisserie chicken to it, so I made it chicken Caesar salad. So now I'm gonna add the croutons they give me, and the ranch, or the Caesar dressing. It's not ranch, it's Caesar dressing. I don't know how to get into it. I figured I was going to end up needing my scissors. So, and that way we can just dump that all in there, can't we? Yeah, it's just that it's just a bag. It has everything in it, like you just saw, that I would need. Dressed in the croutons. And this one's the Caesar salad. Of course, they have all kinds of different. Now, Food Line has a bunch of different ones. Like, I want to try them, but I'm like, I'm scared. Scared to try them. Because what if I don't like it? Then what? So... and then we're just going to stir this around. Get that dressing in there real good. I guess I could shake it. Should I shake it? Put my lid on it and shake. I think I'm going to have to. Okay. There. Maybe that got it shook up a little bit more. But yeah, it comes with Parmesan cheese, your lettuce, Parmesan cheese, dressing, and your croutons. And like I said, I added the chicken. Yum. You know, I was talking about chicken Caesar salad yesterday. And last night after supper, I was like, I gotta get my lunch together. And I was like, oh yeah, I have a chicken Caesar salad. I can just add some chicken to it. Because I had that rotisserie chicken in the fridge that I'm going to use for our chicken and noodles later this week. I'm like, I can put some of that in there. I won't need all that rotisserie chicken. So yeah, not too bad for a quick little lunch. So how's your day been going? Is it going good? Mine's been pretty good, just a little busy, but that's okay. And since school started back last week, you know, I told you we live in a neighborhood. So neighborhood can get a little busy, right? Yeah. Especially with school buses and all that stuff. Well, so last school year, and the years before that, I mean, it's not anything new. There's an elementary bus that comes through the neighborhood right about the time I need to leave for work. Well, if you get behind this school bus, you will waste 7 minutes. Okay? 7 minutes. Because it stops at our road is where I would end up getting behind it. The next cul-de-sac, then it would stop in, because there's not another cul-de-sac before. I'll take that back, there is. There's two. I think there's two before our road. Anyway, point is they make 3 stops after my road. So by the time all these kids come out of their house, what happened to stopping, being at the bus stop, not coming out of your house? Anyway, so by the time they finally get on the bus and then get sat down, it's 7 minutes from our road to the stop sign. So I thought, well, this school year, I'm not getting caught behind that bus. Okay? I'm not going to get caught behind it. Well, I've been doing good. I haven't been caught. Not a problem. Well, last week, when I get ready in the mornings, I get up, do my routine, then I get dressed. When I get dressed, that's the last thing I do, okay? Then I put my badge on, my pocketbook, and then I go in there to the kitchen and I make my lunch. I put my lunch together, then I leave. That's my routine, okay? Well, last week, and I think it's because I was on vacation the week before. I think that was my real problem, but I was rushing. By the time I would pick out my clothes, because I look at the clock on my phone when I'm coming out of the bathroom from doing my hair, makeup, and all that. I come out to go in there to get dressed while I got to go in the closet to pick my clothes out, right? So I'm looking at the time before I go in there. All right, I'm good. I'm on schedule. Y'all, I was losing 5 to 7 minutes, sometimes 8, picking out my clothes. Because I guess, being that I was going back to work after being off for vacation when I didn't have to pick out nothing, I didn't know what I wanted to wear. And I would pick out something, I'm like, I don't want to wear that. I want to wear something else. 5 to 8 minutes, okay? That's how much I was losing. So I was worried. I was like, oh no, I'm going to get caught behind that bus. I don't want to get caught behind that. It's going to push me even further. Okay. Well, I never got caught behind the bus. But like I said, I was losing time trying to pick clothes out. So this week, I had the bright idea, pick your clothes out before you get ready. Now, I can't pick my clothes out the night before. I just, no. I've tried it. Promise you, I've tried it. For one, I don't really have anywhere to put them. That's my first problem. Because where am I going to sit them after I pick them out? Because the only way I'm going to wear that is I can't go back in that closet. So I've got to pull them out and put them in the bedroom. Well, I don't have anywhere to put them. So I thought, well, I'll do it. Yesterday I did it, and this morning I did it. I will get up, and before I start getting out, you know, I can't see. Okay? Can't see. I have to put my contacts in, right? Okay, so I'm talking before I do that. I'm talking I got up out of the bed. Okay? sat there, gave myself a minute to pull myself together. And then I went to the closet, picked out what I was going to wear. Okay, fine. So I did that yesterday. Well, I leave like normal. That's fine. I was on time. Everything was good. Okay. This morning, yeah, I forgot. I did everything like I just said. I got this on. Got my badge. Got all the way here and went on. And I mean, I have fiddled with my finger all day long. Oops. So I don't know what to do. And I thought about, after I realized I didn't have it, I thought, well, I know why I lost it. I'm off. I'm just off. It's not my normal routine. I'm just off. So, now since I done the Marie Kondo the other week on vacation, I have a little space in my closet. So I think what I'm going to do, what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to pick my clothes out tonight. And I'm going to hang them in a different spot in the closet. Because like I said, I have a little bit more room. And maybe if I put it there, then I will just grab it. And there's no looking. You've already picked it out. I've already spent that time, wasted that time. And maybe if I do it that way, then I won't be trying to change my mind. Maybe. So that's what we're going to try in the morning. Because I can't be going around without my wedding ring. It don't feel right. And plus, I go too many times without a wedding ring, you know what's fixing to happen. Rumors. Oh, they're going to be talking. Tamara's not wearing a wedding ring. Is Tamara getting divorced? They'll have me divorced. Living on the streets before I get... I just forgot it today. You know how quick that'll go. So we can't have that. But yeah. I didn't even notice it. And then I started, my brain went, what else did we forget? And had I realized it early enough, like at the stop sign or right at the end of the neighborhood or something, I would have went back and got it. But since I was already here, I'm not going to turn around. I'll just get it tonight. Because I take it off while I'm at home. Which you've seen the home videos, I don't have it on. But that's because I'm doing something. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. You know. washing my hands, and I can't stand the wet to get up under the ring. So I take it off when I'm at home. And I've never slept in it. I've always taken it off to sleep. But at least we know it's safe and sound. I didn't forget it somewhere. They're really good. And it's got that added chicken. Is that chicken right there? If it'll clear up. There it goes. Maybe. And then I dropped it. My rotisserie chicken is good in it. Try to get that last little bit. I want that bite. I have lettuce, piece of chicken, and a crouton. See it all right there? Yep. Happy plate, happy bowl. All right, y'all. That was good. I enjoyed that. I hadn't had one in a while. But I hope you have a good rest of your Tuesday. Enjoy your lunch. And I will see you tomorrow. I got to get back at it. I got some work to do. Busy, busy, busy. I'm a busy little bee. Bzz, 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 bzz. Oh gosh. Okay. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and may the peace of the Lord be with you.